Hello, welcome to Natural and Simple Videos. If you are new to us, please do not forget to like and subscribe for videos every week. Today I am going to show how to make an avocado mask for hair to transform into hydrating and beautiful hair in just 3 days. Avocado is not only great for your health and skin, but also for your hair. It is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, making it ideal for dry, damaged hair. If you combine the avocado with specific ingredients, such as olive oil, honey, you can cater the mask to your hair's specific needs, such as extra hydration or shine. 1. Peel and pit 1 ripe avocado. Cut an avocado in half, then remove the pit. Scoop the flesh out with a spoon and place it into a bowl. Avocado is great in this mask because it contains fats and oils that help repair dry, brittle hair. Plan on needing half of an avocado for fine, short hair, a full avocado for longer, thicker hair, and more than 1 avocado for very long/thick/dry hair. 2. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil and honey, each are both hydrating. Honey helps make it stronger while olive oil helps protect your hair against further damage. 3. Add 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil, if desired. You can leave the essential oil out if you want to, but it will help give the mask a nice fragrance. It is also great for treating dandruff. 4. Whip everything together on high. You can do this using a stand mixer or a handheld mixer. Keep blending until the mask is light in color and smooth in texture. 5. Apply the mask to damp hair. Get your hair wet first, then squeeze out the excess water. Apply the mask to your hair, starting from the ends. You can even massage the mask into your hair, if you want to. Don't apply the mixture to your roots if your hair is fine. 6. Cover your hair with a shower cap and heat it for 15 minutes. Pull your hair up into a loose spun first, then cover it with a shower cap. Blow dry your hair for 15 minutes. If it is a warm, sunny day, you can sit out in the sun for 30 to 45 minutes instead. 7. Rinse the mask out, then follow up with shampoo and conditioner. Rinse the mask out with lukewarm water first. Once your hair is clean, wash it with shampoo and conditioner as you normally would. You can repeat this treatment once per week, but no more than that. Your hair will be shine, hydrating and beautiful hair. Thanks for watching Natural and Simple. We will see you in next videos.